Using the Verity Touch Writer to print blank provisional ballots and blank federal ballots. The Touch Writer will be used as a printer for blank provisional ballots and for blank federal ballots. A voter receives a provisional ballot if their eligibility to vote has been questioned. Additional research must be conducted by the election authority in the 2 weeks after Election Day to confirm their eligibility to vote and whether their ballot should be cast during the provisional count. See the Will County Clerk Election Manual and the Will County Poll Book Manual for additional information on provisional voting. Follow these steps to print a blank provisional ballot on the Touch Writer after printing a provisional receipt on the poll book. After you open the polls, the Ready for Use screen will display. Click on Ready for Use. The Ready for Use screen will display after you complete the transaction for every voter. Enter the poll worker code and press Accept. The poll worker code will be required at the start of every transaction. When the poll worker task screen displays, use the scanner attached to the Touch Writer to scan the barcode that was produced by the poll book when the voter was checked in. Scanning this code will automatically select the correct ballot for the voter. When the Confirm Selections screen displays, confirm with the voter that their precinct, ballot style, and political party in a primary are correct. If they are correct, verify that Mark as Provisional has been selected, and then select Yes, activate this ballot, confirm the selection, and begin the process for printing a blank provisional ballot. If incorrect, follow all the same steps to print a blank provisional ballot so it can be spoiled at the voter verification station and a correct barcode issued. When you confirm the selection for a provisional ballot, a short report will print on the Touch Writer printer. Place this report along with the barcode receipt from the poll book into the white miscellaneous receipts envelope at the voter verification station. Follow the instructions in the next series of screens to print a blank provisional ballot. Select to get started, touch here. Select No, skip straight to voting. Select Begin voting. When the first race appears on the next screen, press Review Your Choices at the bottom left. Do not vote this race. On the next screen, select Print at the bottom right of the Review Your Choices screen. On the next screen, select Yes, Print a blank record to print a blank provisional ballot. The election judge must initial the blank ballot before giving it to the voter to mark in privacy at a voting booth. The voter should seal the ballot inside the provisional ballot envelope and return it to the ballot distribution station after completing their selections. A provisional ballot will not be accepted by the ballot counter if the voter tries to insert it. Review the Will County Clerk Election Manual for additional details about provisional voting. Issuing federal ballots. You will follow the same steps to print a blank federal ballot. However, Mark as Provisional will not be highlighted on the Confirm Selection screen unless it is both a federal and a provisional ballot. The ballot counter will accept a federal ballot. No report will print on the Touch Writer for a federal ballot. Place the barcode receipt from the poll book in the miscellaneous receipts envelope in the clear documents pouch. The next video will show you how to use the Touch Writer to print a blank Spanish ballot.